Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you guys can see, today I'm going to be installing this closure wig, and it is colored from Incolorwig. So I don't know if you guys remember, this is around Halloween and stuff. I did have a like orange spice type of colored wig from this company. So this time I have this super cute gray one. So it's kind of a mix between gray and blue, I guess. The lighting is giving a little bit of a different type of hue, and I'll also include a video showing the hue that I got with the Instagram filter. So it's not completely like light gray, it's kind of in between. Like at different angles it looks darker, and at some it looks lighter. So please excuse the music you guys hear. It is Coco Melon, my son's TV. I'm like right by his room. So I just want to hop on and talk about this unit. So this unit is a 22-inch silver gray 150 density closure wig, and it is machine made from Incolorwig. So firstly, shipping, it took about, I'd say it took around 3-4 days, not long at all, and it was via DHL. So this wig is available in 14 through 22 inches, so you get a decent amount, and I'm just going to show you guys. This is how long it is on me. So it's pretty long. For the most part, it's actually to my rib cage, so yeah, definitely pretty long. So it is under $300. That's also great. So the cap construction, it is 3 combs and adjustable straps, and I am going to be styling it into a side part. Now I usually don't do that with closures, but this is a semi side part. I had it more to the side the other day, but I just wanted to do a little quick install for you guys. So I'm going to show all of this, but in packaging in the box, it was a wig cap and a scarf from the company, and that wig was also packaged really nice, so thank you guys for that. So without further ado, let's just hop into this little install. I hope you guys enjoy this. All links will be below, and I will see y'all in the next video. You gotta feel me.